Two of Mirrors. I see this as a twin flame connection or a brotherly kind of connection. So maybe your friends or maybe during this time, pwedeng may pagmi-mirror kayong ginagawa sa isa't isa. You're mirroring this person. Kung anong ginagawa niya sa'yo, yun din ang ginagawa mo sa kanya. And over the Four of Rings, ayaw mo masaktan. So for now, with the advisor, maybe you're listening to yourself. Pwedeng may ina-advise or sinasabi ka sa sarili mo na, ay, wag mo isipin yun, wag mo kausapin yun, ganun, wag ka, your action is more on pakikipagkompetensya dito sa person na ito. Kompetensya in a way na parang, o sige, kung hindi siya makikipag-usap, huwag ka rin makikipag-usap, bakit ka makikipag-usap, masasaktan ka lang, parang ganun. And nakakita ko ng word na distance, so maybe dumidistansya ka. Kasi nga, with the Four of Rings, ayaw mong masaktan. Diba? You're trying to control your emotions. And what is this person? Yung iba naman, kung hindi ikaw ito na nag-advise sa sarili mo, maybe there's another person, maybe there's a tarot reader, like maybe ako, hindi ko masabi, pero maybe may pinanood ka na nag-advise sa'yo, nagsabi sa'yo na kung mag-focus ka sa sarili mo, wag mo tong isipin, ganito, ganyan. And you are listening, and you're trying to control your emotions. Four of Rings. And who is this person nakakonect mo? Air sign? Sino itong person nakakonect ni air sign with? You do have the Ten of Roses. Ayan. And the Ten of Rings. So, nasasaktan tong taong to. Kasi feeling niya nagkakaroon ng ending sa inyong dalawa. Ten of Roses, Ten of Rings. Masakit sa kanya. And I feel like itong person na to, yan, you do have your at the bottom of the deck, the end. Tapos dalawang number 10 yon. So, yung number 10 is about ending. About ending ng connection ninyo. So, feeling niya nag-end yung connection ninyo. Masakit para sa kanya. Because I feel like there's someone who is watching here. And itong someone na ito is showing as the villain. So, siya yung kontrabida. Or nagiging dahilan kung bakit parang ay, hindi pwedeng matuloy. Kailangan mag-end. And you have the Eight of Rings, which is the camera guy. Siya yung nagsasabi sa taong ito kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin sa connection ninyong dalawa, which is pwedeng napipilitan siyang lumayo, napipilitan siyang i-end ng connection nito because ayaw ng person na ito. Hindi siya masaya. And you do have here the Seven of Mirrors. So, I feel like kontrolado niya lahat. Even the messages, even the friends, or kung sino yung makaka-interact, makaka-connect ng person na ito. Kontrolado niya. And you do have here the King of Rings. So, and this time, tinatanggal nitong person na ito yung pinakamahalagang bagay sa person or pinakamahalagang tao sa buhay ng person na kakonect mo, which is ikaw. Ikaw yung pinakamahalagang bagay sa kanya, pero not only you, like maybe may kinalaman din sa relatives. I can see relatives, kapatid, ganun, or magulang, pwedeng ganun. So, masyadong diktador yung taong nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng ending sa inyo. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. I want to know. I feel like kung may problema itong person na ito, gusto mo siyang or willing kang bigyan siya ng comfort, but yun nga may nagiging dahilan kung bakit hindi mo magawa yun. Emotion mo for this person, you do have the Knight of Rings. I'm feeling like late mo nang na-realize yung emotions mo para sa kanya. You do have here the Six of Rings. So, you're giving this person time, diba? Parang medyo mahirap yung competition eh. So, I can see competition. So, pwede may kakonect siyang iba. So, with the Eight of Rings, I feel like you have learned how to focus sa ibang bagay. Maybe sa ibang relationship, sa ibang connection, sa ibang bagay. Yung sa sa tawag dito, na I don't know, I can see the picture of a gym. So maybe sa sarili mo, sa health mo, sa maybe you're going to gym or maybe sa work, ganyan. Basta sa sarili mo, maaaring doon ka na nag-focus. Ano ang emotion niya para sa'yo? Okay, number 10 na naman. Guys, 4 na 10 ang lumabas sa side niya. The only number 10 na hindi lumabas is the King of Rings. You do over the 10. Number 10 na naman. And this is Destiny. And at the bottom of the deck is the 10 of Mirrors. 'Di ba? 4 na 10 na yan, no? And nasasaktan siya talaga sa ending na ito. Kasi nga, kinuha ka sa kanya or bigla kang nawala, bigla kang naglaho, bigla nagkaroon ng dahilan kung bakit natapos or matapos yung connection ninyo. And with the King of Rings, ayan, I'm seeing this with the jeweler, so you are the diamond, ikaw yung mahalaga para sa kanya, and bigla kang kinuha bigla kang nawala. And so parang wala nang halaga yung buhay niya, or wala na siyang nakikitang mga parang wala nang taong nagpapahalaga sa kanya, parang ganun. Because maybe in the past, you are the one na nagpapakita sa kanya ng pag-aalala, pagpapahalaga, and ikaw yung alam niya nakakaintindi sa kanya You know? And at the bottom of the deck, there's also this page of mirrors and a page of roses. This is showing to me as like the devil here. So yan, pwedeng may nagdidikta sa kanya who is someone na masyadong sakim. What will happen in the future? Kung sino man yung person na yun, wala siyang pakialam sa mararamdaman ng person mo, wala siyang pakialam sa mararamdaman mo. Basta dinidiktahan ko tong taong to na i-end. What will happen in the future para sa inyo? Hindi ko to kukunin, guys. Masyadong marami. You do have here the Bachelor. I can feel Aries energy. And also Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Two of Flutes is here. In the future for the sign of air sign. One more card, please. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Mirrors. Ayan, air sign. Eight of Mirrors is here. I don't know why your person is parang nasasanay siya or hinahayaan niya lang na siya ay kinokontrol ng taong ito, which is showing to me as yan, with the competition, maybe the other person nakakonect niya. Ay, sorry. This is 9 of Mirrors pala, hindi 8. So, kahit may other person na involved dito sa connection ninyo, pwedeng alam niya kung ano yung connection na meron sa inyo, which is sobrang tibay, sobrang higpit, or sobrang hirap mawala na connection. Alam mo yun? So, you do have here, ayan 6 of Roses, Challenge, and Winner. So, pwedeng may nanalo na, may nakakuha na dito sa sa person na ito, sa person mo. What will happen in the near future for the sign of air sign? You'd ever keep it chill with the number 14 and 4 of Roses, the mansion, the hot seat with the number 11. I don't feel like makakaalis yung person na ito sa kanyang situation. Gustuhin man niya, mahirapan siyang makaalis. Because, hindi rin siya kasi ready eh. Alam mo yon, hindi pa niya kaya, hindi pa siya ready. And the advice for you actually is to keep it chill. You know? Wag mo i-pressure ang sarili mo. If it's not going to happen, it's not going to happen. If it's going to happen sa future, then it's going to happen. Kung wag ka masyadong focus sa, okay, dadating siya sa akin, para siya sa akin, etc. Huwag ka mag-focus sa ganun. Kasi with the 4 of Roses, mas okay kung yung kalagayan mo, kung nasaan ka. And yung mga taong nandiyan sa paligid mo, they are like, sila yung nagbibigay ng kulay sa mundo mo. Kumbaga, kung bakit nagiging may saysay yung buhay mo dito kasi because of those people na nakapaligid sa'yo. So, huwag mong pansinin itong taon. Hayaan mo lang siya. And regarding dun sa other person, masyadong nabubulagan pa yung person mo doon. Hindi niya alam kung gaano siya sinasakal or nasasakal doon. Pero hindi mo kailangan ipakita or sabihin yun or, you know, it's like, hayaan mo lang siyang kusang makita or malaman yun. Okay? And huwag mong hintayin dahil wala naman tayong time na nakita doon. So, kailan siya magigising, but I feel like magigising siya eventually. Okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.